Today I'm doing the most requested video on my channel, a Notion tour. Now you all see me be so productive, so organized, and I want to give Notion full credit because it has literally been game changing for me. Just a little disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Notion, but I really want to work with them super soon. It's like one of my dream brands to work with, and I know what's gonna happen super soon. My Notion is my life, and also on top of it, I've made it look super aesthetic, super cute, and you all keep asking me how I do that. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly how I made my Notion look so cute, so aesthetic, and still so organized and productive for me. So this is how my Notion dashboard looks like. It's super pink, super coquette and aesthetic. Telling you all in the beginning only, all these images, all these icons are from Pinterest, and I'll put the keywords that I put on Pinterest on screen and in description, so you all can just type them on Pinterest and find these images and these icons. So first we have my cover page, and you can just go here and either choose one of the colors. You can also upload one from your computer gallery, so that's what I have done. And you can also just link something or use Unsplash for your cover. Then we have this cute little teddy bear. It's just an icon that I again found on Pinterest. I used background remover on Google to remove the background of this one and make it look like a PNG, and then I just uploaded it here. You can click on it, you can either put an emoji here or like an icon that you like, or let's say what I did, you can also use like a custom icon for yourself. Then I have my name here, and then I've just written like 2024, and I've just put like this pink background. You can go on this button and then go to color, and you can either change the color of the text or you can change the background. There are multiple options. I have majorly used pink because you all know I love pink and my Notion is very pink. Then I've written a quote here. Whatever you want is already yours. It's one of my manifestation quote that I really believe in, and in my Notion throughout you will see a lot of affirmations, a lot of quotes, because Notion is like my digital home, and in my physical home as well there are so many affirmations. So I thought here as well there has to be as many affirmations as possible. Then the next thing that I've put is goals, and if you all saw my 2024 goals video, then you know that I've divided my goals into monthly, quarterly and yearly, so I can track them better, and everything is just a little more systematic. So here are my monthly goals. I'll not open these pages because these are like my personal goals and I'm not that comfortable sharing them as of now. So that is that. Then I have this gallery view. Now this is the most important view. Here I've divided it into like 4 major aspects of my life. So first is home, second is work, third is dream life, and fourth is diary. Now if you want to achieve this gallery view, all you have to do is just put a slash, then you can just type gallery view, and you can just add it like that. You can click on new database, and here it is. Here it's super easy to add like a gallery view. I'll go in depth in a bit, but let me show you what next I have. I have my general to-do list, and here I've just written everything that I want to do, and these are like very tiny things or even the bigger things. Like this is my master to-do list. I've not made any segregations here. It's just everything from my work to my personal life to home to anything. Everything is just in this to-do list, and you all can see I've not done much. There are so many things that I have to get done with, but I'm gonna do it one step at a time. Now if you want to add these check boxes, again you have to just type slash and to-do list and just click on it, and your to-do list is gonna appear. Again, super simple. Then I have my calendar view, and this is my major master calendar view again. Here I've written a lot of things that I want to do on certain days. Now this one is for February 2024, and you all can see I've written a bunch of things when I want to shoot certain things, when I have to go somewhere, certain events, certain birthdays that I've mentioned, all my shoots, what I want to get done with, basically everything in my life that I want to get done with on certain days. I've just added to this calendar, so in one glance I can just look at everything and I know exactly when is what. It's like a really nice way to honestly organize your day-to-day life, and I really love this feature about Notion. They just let you add these calendars that are so helpful. So yeah, that's about my main dashboard. Okay, now I'm gonna take you all through all these 4 main pages of mine. Firstly, we have home page. Now I have again added this, banner that says romanticize your life. You all know, literally I romanticize every bit of my life, so I had to put it here. Then I've just written home. You can again add an icon if you want to add some tags or any properties. These are some things that you can just play around with. Then I've added this white blush picture, so it appears in like my main gallery view because I wanted to make it look a little more aesthetic. So I just added this picture, so in my gallery view it's gonna look really pretty. And then I've added this one page that says home. Again, if you want to add any page, all you have to do is again /page, and you can literally just add a page, and that's it. It's so easy to add these pages. I'm just gonna delete this one for now. Okay, now this is how my homepage looks like. Again, super pink and super aesthetic. So my cover image again from Pinterest, it's just this basic checkered print, and I again added this teddy bear as my icon. Then below that it says home and a quote that says you are her, so act like her. If you want to achieve this serif font, you can click on these 3 dots and you can just choose whichever style of text you want. I chose serif for this particular page. You can also choose like different styles for different pages. Yeah, then below that I have my morning routine. This is my ideal morning routine. This is the one that I hope to achieve every single day. Obviously I fail majority of the days, but I still keep trying. And in the next column I again have this super aesthetic picture. If you want to add a picture, again all you have to do is just /image, and you can click on image. So you can either upload it from your computer gallery, or if you want to embed any link, you can do that as well. But I usually just save any picture from Pinterest and just upload it here, and it gets added. Now below that picture I again have an affirmation, small and consistent steps every day, because this is gonna motivate me to just follow these mini steps, and I know they're gonna add up and become something super big in future. And then below that I have my night routine. Now this is again my ideal night routine, the one which I try to follow every day. I obviously fail at it some days I achieve it, but this is how it looks like. And in the third column now I have my quick links. So I have a lot of different quick links. Let me take you all through most of them. So first I have my game plan template. Now I've removed everything from here so you all can just get a gist of it. I have again added an affirmation. Then I've added this board view. If you want to add a board view, again click on / and just type board view and it's gonna come. Then below that I just have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and to-do list below that, so I can just every Sunday sit and I can just type down all the things that I have to get done with on each day of the week. Now below that I have my finances page. I've not yet started tracking my finances because it is a very tedious task, and I'm someone who just fails to keep track of it, but I'm trying, and I think from March I will start tracking my finances as well. But I've already made a template for it, and this is the one. It's called all expenses. Now if you want to find this exact template and just modify it according to your needs, you can simply go here, and there is this option called templates. You can just type finances here. Yeah, these are the ones. One is called budget planning, the other one is called simple budget. You can download any of these. Then below finances I have my habit tracker. Now I used to use this a lot, but recently I've switched to a different app which is called Habit, and it has been helping me so much. It's so much more convenient. But if you want to still have a habit tracker on your Notion, you can simply just download this template again from the template section, which is already there in Notion. Then below my habit tracker I have my meal planner. This is again a template that I downloaded from the template section. I have to customize it. Lately I've been struggling a lot with my maid and my cooking habits, and next time I show you all my Notion, my meal planner will be up to date, I promise. Then below that I have my master to-do list. this. It's again the same one that I showed you on my dashboard. I just added it here as well. And then below that I have my weekly cleaning sort of list. Here is everything that I include in my weekly cleaning session, and I just typed it here. So every time I'm starting to clean on like a Sunday or any day, I just open it up and I just keep ticking things off, so it's easier for me to be a little organized and to make sure that I'm not forgetting any bit of my cleaning process. Then I have my bookshelf. Here I've written the books I am reading or I've read, and if a few notes that I want to write, then I do that sometimes. This is again a template that I downloaded from the template section, so you all can do the same thing. Below my bookshelf I have my Sunday reset routine. So you all know that Sunday reset routine, Sunday pamper routines are so essential to me, and this is my ideal Sunday routine. There are a few things that I keep adding, few things that I keep removing, but this is what it looks like ideally. And then lastly I have my travel planner. This is something that I added a few days back because I really want to travel a lot this year, and I want my travel to be very systematic. So I've added this travel planner. So I've just written travel planner, and this is the gallery view that I added. So if you click on this Udaipur section, you'll find this planner that I again downloaded from the template section. I haven't customized it because I was already done with my Udaipur trip, and after that I made this template. So yeah, I'm yet to explore this particular section of Notion. Yeah, that was the last thing. And then below that I have this image. I've already told you all how you can embed an image, how you can upload an image. It just says it girl. Then I have this live clock. You can literally just go on Google and type like live clock widget. Then I went to my Notion, then I did slash embed, and you just paste your link and your clock is embedded. You can obviously resize it. You can, like I said, you can add weather forecast, you can add so many things, phrase of the day. There are unlimited options. You can embed so many things. Literally just go on Google and type Notion widgets and you will be like shocked. Anyways, then below my clock I have added another quote. Oh, also if you want to add a quote, you can just type slash quote, and that's it. You'll be able to add a nice quote. You can change the color of it, size of it, just customize it according to your liking. And then below that I have also embedded a Spotify playlist. It's called Coquette Girlies. So if you play it from here, it'll start playing. It's super cool. Again, all you have to do is just go on Spotify, copy the link of the playlist and embed it here, just like I embedded the clock. Now we move on to my work page. So I've just written work, and this is the page that I've created. When I enter it, it's gonna display me everything work related. I've again added this image so it comes as like a banner in my gallery view. So I've written work, then I've written again a quote that says girl bossing my way up, and then I've written a few work related goals that I've just blurred because I don't want to jinx it. But yeah, then I've just divided my page into 4 columns. If you want to divide your page into columns, you can just type slash and column, and then you can divide your page into 2 columns, 3, 4, 5. I think 5 is the maximum. And here I've divided it into 4 columns. So first is YouTube, second is Instagram, third is Pinterest, and fourth is links, because I keep sharing a lot of links with you all. So I have to track it and just make sure when I'm posting what. So yeah, let me take you all through my YouTube page. Now here I have written again a quote and like a super cute banner which says one day at a time. Then I have my calendar, brand scripts, normal scripts and ideas for YouTube, and a link to my description and a few YouTube related search. This is nothing fancy. This is very basic. This is made using very basic Notion tools. Just a few pages I've added, and just like this one divider that I keep adding everywhere. You can just type slash divider and a divider comes up. It's super nice if you want to segregate sections. And I'll not go inside these pages because otherwise you'll know what I'm up to with my YouTube, and I don't want to spill it just yet. Then same as with my Instagram. When you open the page, there are a few pages, and then same as with my Pinterest and links pages. So I'll just skip these. Now the next page is my dream life, and when you open it, then I've just added this cute little bow, and the cover says Lil Miss Jululu, and it's so pretty, it's so cute. And then I've just written dream life. I've written visualize your higher self and start showing up as her. Like I said, you can make your text pink, which is so cute. You can just go here and change the color of your text to pink. and anything else if you like any other color. Then I have 4 pages. The first one says how my 2024 went, and here I've written how my 2024 went. Then the next one says my ideal self, and here I've just jotted down everything that I want my ideal self to do, to have, and all of those things. I think I've talked about this particular thing in my previous videos as well. Then the next page has a list of little things that I want to do. So these you all can see, these are a few things that I want to do this year, like donate to needy, paint a big canvas, bake a heart-shaped pizza, very little small things that I just want to do to live life and just, you know, enjoy life. And then the last one is like a brand page where I've just written a lot of dream brands that I would love to work with. So this is my dream lives page. It's not complicated at all. I know I can do so much better with Notion, but I just wanted to keep all of these pages a little simpler. But maybe if I get more time and if I want to, then I will jazz up these pages a little more. But yeah. And the last page is actually empty. It's like a digital diary page that I made, but I barely, you know, type out my thoughts. I'm someone who likes writing them, but I've still kept it because just in case I don't have my diary and I just have my laptop, and if I just want to vent out something, this is the place where I can do it. So I've just dedicated this one space. It says diary, and currently it's empty, but I hope it gets filled soon. And yeah, that's my Notion. It's super simple, it's super easy to achieve, nothing major. I know most of you all are still in college, and let me tell you all, Notion can be life-changing for your college life. You can literally add your assignments, your to-dos, your documents, your resources, links, note making, everything can be done on Notion. And I will share some inspo here with you all, so you can take that inspiration and make your Notion board like that. Or you can just go on Google, type school dashboard Notion template. There are so many free templates available on Google. You can just download them and again customize it according to yourself. It's super easy to do. And yeah, I unfortunately don't have my last year's college template with me anymore. I don't know why I deleted it, otherwise I would have shown you all. But yeah, as of now, I don't think I need a college dashboard for my college because it's almost over. That's it. I know you all wanted this Notion tool since a really long time, and I'm sorry if you expected something more out of it. I actually kept it very pretty, very simple. Some of the pages are fancy, but the other ones are like simpler because that's the vibe I want to go for this year for my Notion. My last year's Notion was way too complicated, and I was just always, you know, different pages doing different things, and it was just not working for me. If it does work for you, you can definitely go for it, but didn't work for me, so this time I made it very simple. I hope you take inspiration from this video and start your Notion journey ASAP. If you have any other questions, please ask me in comments and I will definitely get back to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.